Hello, we are introducing Distant Global, a platform for organizing and managing the learning process. Distant Global offers the ability to accompany the entire online and offline learning process on a single platform, data storage for each individual user, and the ability to view relevant statistics on various ways, hosting of the entire platform and data on Russian servers. Using a federal project as an example, we will show you the main functions that allow creating complex educational events with a large number of organizers, venues, and participants. The Distant Global team has implemented entrepreneurial competence training project. Objectives set by the training organizer. Transparency of processes for management at all stages of training. Continuity of the educational process and recording a digital trail of participants. Welcome to Distant Global. Control panel. The system provides for 9 roles, each with its own workspace designed for that role. The system allows you to see a summary of registrations, the number of accounts in different districts, the number of planned and conducted trainings. The customizable statistics block contains various filters by training organization, trainer, venue, training, etc. The role moderation block allows the main organizer to assign various roles to participants in the process. The user statistics block allows filtering data by various criteria of interest to training organizers. The training statistics block shows when the event took place, who conducted it, the number of attendees, the number of test takers, etc. The system allows collecting statistics on registrations for courses and trainings, as well as issued certificates. Each certificate is assigned an individual ID. The online course statistics block displays the data you need, including the number of attempts a student took to pass a particular test. The overall training statistics block allows filtering information by event, planned and actual coverage, number of certificates, etc. To evaluate the quality of training, platform performance, and organization, the system collects feedback not only from students, but also from other participants in the process. All reports are collected within the system: photos, videos, texts, presentations. All blocks have the ability to export data to Excel. The training journal allows evaluating participants' activity and their passing of testing after training. Distant Global has an archive of trainings, charts, and blogs for webinars and conferences within the platform with recording capabilities, as well as blog for document collection and verification, project work, tracking, and mentoring. The student interface contains blocks of information on online learning modules, offline activities, tests, homework assignments, knowledge assessment blog, and an events calendar. Distant Global allows collecting clean data. The student receives an authorization code directly before the training. After the training, there is an option for post-training testing. The composition of notification, support, and settings block varies depending on the role of the participant in the learning process. Additionally, Distant Global includes a news block for marketers to work with, an editor with all the instructions, and a methodologies block for creating surveys, courses, and video storage. All information is stored within the system on Russian servers, ensuring the security of your data. The payment block allows accepting payments from legal entities and individuals from around the world in any currency. Distant Global for universities, companies, and federal projects, organizing and conducting educational online and offline events distributed over time, involving a large number of organizers, students, and venues, recording and analyzing the digital footprint of each participant, generating and issuing statistics on the learning process in various dimensions, choosing training providers, customize modules for your tasks. Distant Global, a platform for organizing and managing the learning process.